Viewers, today latest update from Ethiopia and Tigray clashes. Reports of new airstrikes in the Tigrayan capital Mekelle happened starting 2 days after the Ethiopian government said it had bombed communications infrastructures in the city. Mekelle hit by Ethiopian airstrike again. Mekelle, the capital of Tigray region in northern Ethiopia, was hit by an airstrike on Wednesday morning, regionally controlled television reported. The report of a strike comes 2 days after two airstrikes hit the city. And viewers, Getachew Rida said that Abiy Ahmed Air Force has once again targeted residential quarters in Mekelle, causing injury to civilians and harm to property. Abiy's reaction to his losses in the ongoing fighting is to target civilians hundreds of kilometers away from the battlefield. On the other hand, breaking news says that the war in Volo region, in Amhara region, joined the Oromo Liberation Army, who is supporting the Tigray army. The two rebels have reached the month of July. Tigray alliance needs Oromo if they leave Dessie city because the city of Dessie, Oromia, is in a small stage. If you look at the other side, Oromos are Tigrayan so that they can get army and military training. The Oromia Liberation Front has presented new troops who train the liberation of the Oromo people has the power of the army that Abiy Ahmed became the Prime Minister of Ethiopia. The reason why he put more pressure that Tigrayans that caused the Oromo people to fully support the rebels and started to join the rebels. The Oromo youth is indiscriminately joined the army of Oromo Liberation Army after the revolution brought Abiy Ahmed Ali to the power is hijacked by the unitary extremist Ethio Amhara nationalist. And today the Oromo is becomes a third citizen and displaced from his own country. So viewers, this is the latest update about it. For more latest report, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.